Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your speaker JBL Go Essential 2. And firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that press at the same time Bluetooth button and volume up button until this LED light right here at the top is just turned off. Here we go. Now we should remove the speaker from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker. After a hard reset it will enter pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!